Good morning all. In this video today we'll see how you can use Emmet in Visual Studio, which will make your coding faster. So to getting apply this thing, we need to write down certain shortcuts method. This will make your coding faster. Say for example you want to create a structure, HTML structure. Simply you need to write an exclamation, and when you press enter you'll get the whole HTML structure on your page. You don't have to write down anything. Everything that is HTML, doctap HTML, that is HTML5 coding, your meta text, your title, body, head, everything will be there on your page. So you don't have to write down all these things, or you don't have to remember even all this. This is just to make a structure, but all other few things that you want to create. Say for example, with the help of Emmet, in this case, your shortcut methods are very helpful. Now say for example, here if I write down, say for example, cable, if I write down, then the ending tag will automatically come. So don't have to worry about what ending tag will come only in this page. So simply you need to write down a starting tag, it will make the ending tag for you. Now say for example, we'll remove this. Now I want to write down this way. Say for example, one paragraph tag, or simply you can write down this with paragraph, then P plus sign. After that we want to write down HR tag, say for example this plus, say for example div tag. So simply I write down this, and when I press it, this tag will automatically come on the page, and you can create this thing very easily. Now say for example here I want to write down this way. Say for example I want to write down table tag. So table, then greater than sign, inside that I need a tr, and inside that I need a td. When I press, the whole table text structure will be ready. So this way you can write down your coding very easily, and it will make your coding very faster. So this is your first video. In second video we'll see more this kind of shortcut methods which will make your coding faster. Thank you.